Yo, what is up YouTube? Before I start this video, I just want to say like I'm really disappointed in myself. To be honest guys, I haven't been doing anything consistent. The one good trade that freaking I was supposed to take, like, guess what I did? I closed it right here, guys. I closed it right here. Like, I was supposed to let it ride all the way to this New York Open, or New York High, but guess what? I closed it. I closed it before it happened. This is bad. This shows I'm slowly returning back to the ways in which and not only did I close it, but I opened more than one trade, cause on gold, no, it wasn't this one. Right here. On gold, I opened another trade because I don't know. I don't know. If you ask me what I was doing, to be honest with you guys, I do not know. Right? So I opened more than one trade. I literally opened more than one trade. Now this is something that freaking was never supposed to happen. I was supposed to keep on being consistent. I was supposed to stick. This shows that I still have a lot to work on, you know, and I gotta get this sorted out. I gotta get this fixed. I gotta follow my plan, follow my instincts. You get what I'm saying? I've slowly gotten better at marking. I got rid of the freaking BS, whatever these are. I mean, I guess I don't need voids marked out anymore because I do a pretty good job in spotting them already in the market, right? And then these are just the session zones. See, I've gotten better to the point where I don't need these indicators anymore because, well, only thing I need is freaking New York, whatever. Cause trading view time, I literally cannot tell which is New York just from trading view. Right now it says it's 4:35 a.m. and it's only 4:20, right? So the time isn't exact, so I got it. But still, I'm very disappointed. I could have done better than this. I know I should have done better than this, and I know I will do better than this because, to be honest with you, this is pathetic. That's just the honest truth. This is pathetic, bro. I actually closed the trade. I actually closed the trade and didn't let it fully play out. Why did I close the trade? I don't know. Was there a change of character? I don't know. Was there a break of structure? I don't know. Oh my god, bro, this is and I didn't even post a video yesterday either. So mind you, yesterday didn't follow my trading plan. Didn't even, let me put on glasses cause this light is way too bright. I'm gonna just leave the light on at this point. So basically, guys, this is what happened. I didn't put on my I didn't follow my trading plan. I didn't make up my room. Like, my room is a mess right now. Freaking, my hair still isn't cut because, like, I don't even know. I'm making pathetic excuses. I should have been done cut my hair, because this is sad. This is really, like, and I've been doing so good too, bro. Oh my god. Didn't do courses. I lost my Duolingo streak. Like, everything is going, like, nah, bruh. I can't let this happen. Like, I told myself literally last year, it's either I was consistently good, or I'm gonna be consistently bald. And so far, for like a whole year, I guess I've been consistently bald, and that is sad. That shows there's really a lot of work I need to improve on. Right? It shows that there's still a lot of work that I need to do. Well, we're back again with another video. This trade is terminated. Hey, but on the Top Step account, I'm 300 down, so that's not that far off. Low-key. But I'm still, like, disappointed, heavily disappointed in myself and in my capability and in the actions I took. And that's just, like, the honest truth. Like, I don't think you guys, like, understand. Actually, you probably do understand, because you probably went through the same thing that I'm going through. Whether you're profitable or not, either you're going through, or either you've been through, or you're going through probably the same things where I'm going through, where you want to change, but, like, you see the need for change, you look for the need for change, but you just can't for some reason. And like, the only thing that's holding you back is yourself. Because look, I've literally been doing good, right? So this one was a fail, this one was a fail, and this, we had a small W here. Like, this was actually understandable, right? I actually closed it right here, cause look, this early close was actually understandable, because we have this high right here, which I was aware of. I waited for price action to fully break through. Price came and tested once, tested twice. There was a small break of structure, but I was like, that's way too much. Came down, and then guess what happened? It freaking cleared, stopped out these highs. So I was like, all right, let me wait for the pullback, and I'm dipping, and then pullback came, and I left the trade. You get what I'm saying? Like, this was actually understandable, but what made no sense at all was closing out the trade right here. Like, this made absolutely no sense to me. I don't know why I did it. I think I just saw something. I don't even know. I think I was just scared or something. I was fighting. Like, what was I doing? I had everything marked out too. I had consolidation range. Freaking price reacted off a key area. Everything was going so well. But then your boy decided not to follow through the trade. Not only that, I did more than one trade. Oh my gosh. Yo, this would have been like a solid 1 to 7. It would have been like 700. Cause I risk like 100 to, like, I don't risk more than 200, but now less than 100. You know what I'm saying? So, like, this would have been an actual good trade. And look what your boy did. I messed it up. I messed it up simply because I didn't trust myself. I wasn't confident enough. I don't even know what other excuses I have to make for this incompetence. bro. And I didn't even post yesterday, bro. Oh my god. Yo, if you guys don't see me freaking buzz tomorrow, there might actually be something wrong. I might need to like take a break and check on. But I know I will get the buzz today, because immediately I'm done, I'm going in for that. And there will be some changes to my schedule. There will be changes to my schedule because I feel like it's getting hard to do a little bit of everything in one day. So I think like I'm gonna focus a huge chunk of my time on one of those tasks. So I might need to remake my schedule. What's it called? So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna reset this because I failed. I was supposed to be consistent. I failed. Like this, like bro. I had like everything planned, bro. It just like makes me angry to see this, cause like I was the problem. I was the problem. It was me. Like I literally said it. Oh God, why should I just keep sleeping? I said it. I went back to sleep. I woke up. I don't know what told me to do this. I literally closed myself out of the position, and there was no reason to do it. There was no reason to do it. Oh my God, bro. Like I'm actually finna cry, bro. Like it's just so frustrating. It's just so frustrating. Like I look composed in front of the camera, bro, but I was freaking destroying my pillow, bro. I swear. Anyways, enough of that. Enough of that. Making a new schedule. Right here, everything's cleared. So I'm thinking at a new habit. So obviously, so I think I'm gonna split it up, right? So I'm gonna do my courses every other day for 3 hours. Yeah, 3 hours. So do my courses. hours. Wait, specific days of the week. So it's gonna be Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Yes. Those are the days that I will. Good. You get, it's kind of like a school schedule. Bro, let me, bro, import a ringtone. So here it is. First thing done. Oh, before I go into any of this, let me look at market sentiment and see what is going on. Forex Factory. You got PPI, Consumer Price Index. So, like the market looks, and like the news is saying, market does look like it's expected to be bearish. Because if you just look at market structure right now, it's not really going nowhere. Like, for example, we had a reject off of this high. You know what I'm saying? But then price hasn't really, like, the rejection was strong, but after that price hasn't really formed any major, like, what is it called, like, imbalances, if you get what I'm saying. I mean, let me check 1 hour. Well, 1 hour, see, there aren't many major imbalances here. It's just, to me, it looks like manipulation going on in these markets. Just a whole bunch of dojis and wicks, and I think they're just probably gonna keep manipulating till news comes out of CPI, Consumer Price Index. So I'm thinking I should be getting ready to short. And what area should I be getting ready to, obviously, place that short? I'm pretty sure I should have limit orders. Hold on. I'm pretty sure I should have limit orders right here. So this should be all the props. I'm still so mad at myself. Like, yeah, this isn't just this is the type of stuff I was pulling last year. I never expected myself to still do it in 2025. This shows that I still got it. Anyways. or the block right here. So if news is a trigger, if this fall is to be triggered by news, depending on how bad it is, I'm guessing market could start to fall within these key areas right here. First area is obviously not this actually. What is this? What is this? I'm gonna delete it. Yeah, let me delete it. Oh, that's the alert. So, look. This is the current new whatever. This is the OB. If price action is to fall, the first place it's coming to is right here. You gotta note that. Gotta note that. But if it's the buy, right now we're at all-time highs, so we never know where it's going to, how far it's gonna keep going. But also, let's get back to creating these habits. See, I need to make it a habit. I need to be stuck in the loop, just like this unhealthy loop, like what I'm talking about, unhealthy, like just like this unhealthy loop I'm in, bro. I need to get myself out of here, and there's only one way. There's only one way to get myself out of this loop, and that's by hold on, let me check something. I don't know if my mic is on, but there's like a pimple or something on my jaw. I don't even know what that is. I keep trying to pop it, but it won't pop. Okay. Next. How many cups a day should I drink? But the thing is, I don't know if market is gonna sell before or after CPI. This is the thing I don't like about news chat. I could set my limit order right here and price action could blow past it. So this is what I think I'm gonna do. I think I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set limit order for 50 risk here and 50 risk here, each at a 1 to whatever risk reward ratio. I know it's gonna be greater than a 1 to 3, cause let me see. Right, so if we risk 50, that means we're targeting a profit of potentially 250 plus, but in total we're technically risking 100, because I'm gonna have one there and one here. You know what I'm saying? Because news events are like unpredictable. Right? Those events are like unpredictable. So I'm gonna have one here and one here for price action to test the order block. And we got one at the support, one down here, one down here. I'm thinking price is going, if it's bearish news, it's definitely gonna tank. We just gotta be patient and wait. But this time I will not make the mistake I did of whatever. I'm going to set the limit order right here, right then, right now. But I can only set limit orders of 1, unless I extend. Man, so second cup. So drink water. Eight cups of water a day. So we gotta drink water. Chart type. Save. So drink water. Obviously,
Oh, you playing Minecraft? I like your cut, G. Oh, you playing Minecraft?
I'm adding the. Let me end this. Come back, but before I end it, I want to like say to y'all that I'm truly sorry for not being consistent. Like, I know it's not something I can just wake up and, you know, it's something that's gonna take a while, but I guarantee you I will like make it out of this freaking loophole that I got myself trapped into. I will stop with the pathetic excuses. Today I'm cutting my hair, so you will probably later today you will see me basically bald. I'm gonna add, I think what I did at first was just rush the schedule. Like, I added 50 things to the schedule from the jump, so I think I'm gonna take it gradually, slowly, take my time with my daily schedule. You know, start by just waking up early, trading, and doing courses. And I added drinking like 8 cups of water a day, right? So we're just gonna start from there. After a week of me consistently doing it and feeling comfortable, I'm gonna add something else to make it harder. Like, I could add, I don't know. I could add working out. I'll put that in there. After another week, I could add, making up my room again. Put that in there. And so on, you know. Each and every week I do something successful, I'll add another thing onto my task. I think that is the game plan here for me. So I will see you guys later. Probably later today. Cause look at me, I'm gonna be bald. I was doing so good, guys. But see you later.